Hey everybody, it's Julianne from Cary Quilting Company in Cary, North Carolina. Today is Labor Day, the 2nd of September, and it's Monday. And I'm here to let you know that we are open today. And today is the second day of the All Carolina Shop Hop. And one of the things we love to do during Shop Hop is our spool selfie station. So these are spools that I've made, and we have a sign here that tells you how to do it. Basically, when you come to visit us, if you just stand here and take a selfie with the spools, and then post it online to Facebook or Instagram or both, you'll be entered into a drawing for one of four $50 gift cards. So our first spool selfie showed up yesterday online. I saw them, and I'm sure there will be more, but this will be one of the first things that you do when you come to visit us. So come on in and I'll show you some other fun things we've got going on during the shop hop. For people at checkout, they're going to be drawing a ping pong ball out of this container, and whatever ball you draw will match. Oh, I got the pink one. I got the top prize. Will match to one of our ping pong ball prize categories, and then you can pick whatever you want. So because I got the pink ball, I can pick a whole entire strip set. So that is also going on. So you can do that at checkout. And then if you'll follow me over to the table, I'll show you the other good stuff that's happening. If you spend $100 or more while you're here at the shop, we have these super fun shiny rulers, and they are free for customers when you spend $100 or more. And that includes if you're signing up for classes or if you're paying for long arm quilting. So they're really fun, and you can actually see through them. Let me see if I can show you this. They are, I don't know if you can see that because of the shiny, but you can see through them. So they're just kind of fun. I've had people say, why shiny ruler? Why not? Shiny rulers are awesome. So those are our three specials for our shop poppers. And then today, because we're at the beginning of the month, we're going to be giving away the prize. Oh, wait, I don't have the prize names. Can you bring me the names for the drawing? They're right there on the front counter. Thank you. So we'll be drawing a prize from all the people that either bought or used their reusable shopping bags in the last month. And this is the prize that is going to be won today. So let's see. These are, I thought I had everything together today, but I did not. So these are the prizes that we can draw from. So let me just kind of toss them down here and spread them around. Whoa. There's quite a few. So thank you guys for using the reusable shopping bags. I don't know if you're aware, but that helps to pay for our recycling bin out back. So it's a win-win because you get to use something that's reusable and you're helping us to do recycling. So let's see, the winner of this fun prize pack is Kimley Smith. She's a local customer, and I guess she's probably been using her bag. So congratulations, Kimley. This is for you, and we will be sending you an email to let you know. Now we're going to be starting a whole new version of this, so you can get into the drawing for the month of September, and we'll be announcing that at the beginning of October. Woo, there's a lot going on. Let me stick these over here. Okay, now we do have fabric in association with the shop hop that we could not sell until yesterday, and it is really beautiful. It's from QT Fabrics, and of course it's designed to represent North and South Carolina. So this is the panel that is part of that collection. And then we have some really nice fabrics. Of course, this is our state flower, the dogwood. And I guess daffodils maybe have something to do with it. I love this piece. You can find all your favorite spots on this piece. And then we have pretty sand dune grasses. I'm sure they have a name. The grasses on the sand dune. And then this is fun. It's almost like postcards. And then here's another version of that floral print. And then if you've driven through South Carolina, you've probably seen the giant peach water tower. And so peaches are a big deal in South Carolina, and they're beautiful here with the butterflies as well. And then this is a really fun border print. You can use that for lots of different things. I think that's fun. And then we've got, of course, iconic lighthouses of North and South Carolina. And more seagrass on green instead of on the yellow. And if you'll peek right back here behind me, hopefully you can see that a little bit. That is a quilt that I designed and created for the Shop Pop. It's called Whirligigs Quilt, and you can find the pattern for that on page 100 of your Shop Pop magazine. And we do have kits for that quilt here in the store. And one fun thing to notice, if you haven't noticed, this is the shape of North Carolina, and this is the shape of South Carolina. So the whirligigs are made up by shapes of the two states. And of course, I use that great border print around the edge as well. So that's what we have for you today, Shop Pop Fever. And we hope that you will come and Shop Pop with us over the next 2 months. Or, you know, if you're not from here, you can still buy some of the great North and South Carolina fabrics online or find other ways to support us here in North Carolina. Have a great afternoon, and we'll see you back here from the shop tomorrow. Bye.